Imagine holding a device that costs under $400, yet packs the kind of raw, silicon-crushing power that was reserved for premium flagship tablets just a year ago. We are talking about a total transformation in how the most affordable entry point to the Apple ecosystem functions. The tech world is buzzing, and the rumors surrounding the iPad 12th generation are pointing toward a release that could fundamentally change your expectations of what a budget tablet can actually do. If you have been sitting on the fence about upgrading your current iPad, you need to hear this because the internal hardware shifts we are looking at are nothing short of massive. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Let's dive deep into why this specific model is shaping up to be a historical milestone for Apple. When we analyze the supply chain leaks regarding the iPad 12th generation, the most glaring detail isn't the outer shell, which frankly remains consistent with the modern, flat-edge aesthetic we've all grown to love. It is the absolute overhaul of the internal architecture. For years, the base model iPad has been treated as a companion device, something for media consumption or light browsing. But with the iPad 12th generation, Apple seems to be shifting its strategy entirely by integrating either an A18 or even an A19 Bionic chip. Think about that for a second. We are looking at a 3nm processed chip in the most affordable tablet in the lineup. This is not just a modest speed bump. This is a performance leap that puts the iPad 12th generation in a league of its own compared to its predecessors. Why does the choice of the A18 or A19 chip matter so much? It is all about the future of software. We are currently in the era of artificial intelligence, and Apple Intelligence is the crown jewel of the new iPad OS. Up until now, older entry-level tablets have been left out of the AI revolution, but the iPad 12th generation is being engineered specifically to bridge that gap. To facilitate these heavy, on-device AI workloads, the latest reports suggest Apple is bumping the memory up to 8 GB of RAM. This is the magic number. Without that 8 GB of RAM, the iPad 12th generation wouldn't be able to run the complex, generative AI features that are defining the 2026 user experience. With this upgrade, the iPad 12th generation will be able to handle advanced Siri queries, AI-assisted writing tools, and even real-time photo and video manipulation with ease. But the upgrades don't stop at the processor and memory. Let's talk about connectivity, which is another area where the iPad 12th generation is expected to leapfrog previous generations. There is growing evidence that the iPad 12th generation will feature Apple's custom N1 wireless chip. For those who aren't familiar, this is the same chip technology integrated into the flagship iPhone 17 series. What does this mean for you? It means full support for Wi-Fi 7. In a world where we are constantly streaming high-definition content, backing up massive files to the cloud, and engaging in multi-device ecosystems, the stability and speed of Wi-Fi 7 are game changers. The iPad 12th generation will be able to connect to the 6 GHz spectrum, providing a latency-free experience that was previously impossible on a budget-tier device. While we're discussing the internal powerhouses, we have to address the display of the iPad 12th generation. I know many of you are hoping for an OLED upgrade, but realistically, the current supply chain whispers suggest we are looking at a refined 10.9-inch or 11-inch liquid retina IPS LCD. Apple is likely keeping the screen technology consistent to maintain that $349 starting price point that makes the iPad 12th generation so attractive to students and casual users. It will remain a sharp, color-accurate display, but we shouldn't expect 120 Hz promotion here. However, the lamination and the brightness levels are expected to be polished, ensuring that even without the Pro label, the iPad 12th generation remains a top-tier choice for students and artists who need a reliable, high-quality canvas. Security is another pillar of the iPad 12th generation experience. While we see Face ID on the premium models, the iPad 12th generation is almost certainly going to stick with the tried-and-true Touch ID integrated into the power button. This keeps the design clean and the device accessible. You get that satisfying, instant authentication without the extra bulk or cost of the complex TrueDepth camera array found on the Pro models. It is a pragmatic choice that serves the user base of the iPad 12th generation perfectly, especially considering this tablet is frequently used in classrooms and shared family environments. Now, let's talk about the battery life of the iPad 12th generation. Apple has consistently targeted that 10 to 12-hour window for its tablets, and the A18 or A19 chip's efficiency is designed to keep it there despite the massive performance increase. The iPad 12th generation is rumored to carry a battery capacity around 7,698 milliamp hours. When you combine this capacity with the efficiency of the 3 nanometers manufacturing process, you get a tablet that can survive a full day of classes, meetings, or long-haul travel without you constantly hunting for a charger. And when you do need to top it up, the USB-C charging port will support the same efficient speeds we have seen in recent updates, keeping the iPad 12th generation ready for action when you are. What about storage? This is a crucial point for anyone planning to use the iPad 12th generation for the long term. The base storage tier is widely expected to start at 128 gigabytes. This is a massive improvement over the older 64 gigabytes base models that used to fill up after just a few apps and a dozen videos. With 128 gigabytes as the floor, the iPad 12th generation is finally a viable option for those who want to download movies for offline viewing, store large creative projects, or keep a massive library of photos directly on the device. Apple is effectively killing this storage anxiety that plagued the entry-level market for years. There is also the matter of software compatibility. The iPad 12th generation is being built with iPadOS 27 in mind. This OS is the most AI-centric interface Apple has ever created. When you boot up the iPad 12th generation, you aren't just getting a tablet. You are getting a portal into a system that understands context. Because the iPad 12th generation will have the neural engine power to process requests locally, your privacy remains intact while your productivity skyrockets. Imagine using the new, smarter Siri to draft emails, summarize long documents, or organize your calendar, all while the iPad 12th generation handles the heavy lifting without stuttering. When we consider the release date, the industry is looking toward a fall 2026 launch. While there was some speculation about a spring event, it is now clear that Apple is aligning the iPad 12th generation with the late-year push for its full AI suite. This gives the development team more time to optimize the software-to-hardware interaction, ensuring that the first time you hold the iPad 12th generation, the experience is seamless. So, the big question remains, should you wait for the iPad 12th generation, or should you pull the trigger on an existing model? If you're a student, a creative on a budget, or just someone who wants a device that will last for the next 4 or 5 years, the answer is clear. The jump to 8 gigabytes of RAM, the A19 chip, and the full suite of Apple Intelligence features make the iPad 12th generation a uniquely future-proof budget device. We haven't seen a refresh this significant in the base-level lineup in a long time. The iPad 12th generation is essentially taking the brains of a pro device and putting them into a chassis that everyone can afford. Think about the longevity. A device with an A19 chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM is going to receive software updates for years to come. It won't become obsolete the moment a new app with higher requirements hits the App Store. The iPad 12th generation is designed to stay relevant. It is a workhorse, a media center, and an AI assistant all wrapped in a sleek aluminum frame. And the best part? It maintains that accessible price point that has made the base iPad the most popular tablet on the planet. As we get closer to the official reveal, we will likely see more leaks regarding the color options. Apple loves to spice up the base model with vibrant finishes, and the iPad 12th generation is expected to follow suit. Whether it is a new shade of blue, a refined silver, or something entirely new, the device is going to look as good as it performs. And with compatibility with the latest USB-C Apple Pencil and potentially even the Apple Pencil Pro, the creative possibilities on the iPad 12th generation are nearly endless. We are truly living in an exciting time for technology. The gap between what we define as premium and entry-level is closing, and the iPad 12th generation is the most prominent example of this trend. It is no longer just about having a screen to watch movies. It is about having a device that can keep up with the pace of modern innovation. Whether you're using it for complex multitasking, gaming, or just staying connected with your loved ones, the hardware inside the iPad 12th generation ensures that your experience is smooth, fast, and intelligent. As you reflect on these leaks, remember that the goal of the iPad 12th generation is accessibility. Apple is not trying to sell you the most expensive tablet. They're trying to provide the best possible experience at a price that makes sense for the masses. By democratizing access to high-performance chips and on-device AI, they are empowering a new generation of users to do more, create more, and achieve more. The iPad 12th generation is going to be the standard bearer for this new philosophy. Stay tuned, because as we approach the autumn launch window, the volume of information will only increase. We're going to be tracking every piece of news, every supply chain report, and every leaked specification regarding the iPad 12th generation. You won't want to miss the deep dive comparisons, the performance benchmarks, and the final verdict on whether this is the best value tablet of the decade. Everything points to the iPad 12th generation being a monumental release, and we're going to be here to cover it every step of the way. The bottom line is that the iPad 12th generation is shaping up to be the most complete, capable, and future-ready entry-level tablet we have ever seen. If you're in the market for a new device, keep your eyes on this space. The wait for the iPad 12th generation might just be the best decision you make for your tech setup this year. It is powerful, it is efficient, and it is built to handle the future. That is the promise of the iPad 12th generation.